Hello, in this video we'll show you the location of the glow plug control module on Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. Firstly, I'll show you the location of the glow plug control module on the service manual, and then I'll show it to you on the car. Here first we're selecting the car make and model and the engine, and then we're going to see where exactly the glow plug control module is on the car. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. This is the electrical component locations diagram on the engine side of the car. So the glow plug control module is number 13 on the diagram. It's located just on the side of the engine, just in front of the battery. Now I'm going to show you the location of the glow plug control module on the car. It's just over there in front of the battery. Just there is two connectors. One of connector is going from the glow plug control module to the glow plugs, and the other one is coming from the ECU and ground and power as well. I'm going to remove the engine cover to show you where the glow plugs are on this car as well. So the glow plugs are just there is connectors on top of them, which if you want to change them have to be pressed in and pulled out. 1, 2, 3, 4 glow plugs, and those 4 glow plugs go to this connector on the glow plug control module. And the other connector is going to the ECU, and there is also power and ground going to the glow plug control module, and that's it. Thank you for watching.